More nails to turn heads. Today we're diving into a stunning Apres Light and Shadow collection paired with an exquisite Jeulia jewelry that will elevate your nail game. Watch as we explore the unique colors, textures, and finishes of the Apres collection, paired with the dazzling allure of Jeulia Jewelry to elevate your nail game. Don't forget to check out the products featured in the video and unleash your creativity. Many of us struggle with achieving that salon-quality nail design at home. Whether it's choosing the right colors, creating intricate patterns, or finding accessories that match, it can be overwhelming. That's where Apres and Jeulia come in. They provide the tools and inspiration to make nail art not just beautiful, but accessible. Let's face it, we want our nails to stand out, but we often lack the skills or time to make it happen.
I got blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling through the dark in the dawn. I have found new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Yeah, you know what I've done in the past. Still you say you and I, we can last. I have found new ways, but no, can I be the one that you need? Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make it right. And drama on the TV is full of pain. But we're the good part, the happy ending. Unexpected plot twist, we always save me. We're the good part, we never fake it. Even if it hurts, we always say it. Like it just like that. Kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like that. Like it just like that. Kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like that. Somehow we make sense. We're the only one who knows it. Our feelings never tense. We don't need no water under the bridge. We're the good part, the happy ending. Unexpected plot twist, we always say it. We're the good part, we never fake it. Even if it hurts, we always say it. Like it just like that. Kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like that. Like it just like that. Kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like that. We're the good part, the happy ending. Yeah. We're the good part, we never fake it. Like it just like that. Kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like that. Like it just like that. Kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like that. Like it just like that. Kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like that. Let's go. Are you ready? You've been staring since I came in. I know you wanna get to know me. But honestly, I came with my girls, wanna dance by ourselves. Can't you tell? Baby, I have thick skin. Yeah. I don't let things get to me. But do you want me to spell it out for you right now? I'm not feeling your vibe. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen.
When you receive your Jeulia Jewelry, as you can see, it is in an elegant package. Each order comes in a charming, eco-friendly box with their logo. And inside the package, pay attention to all the items. The first item provided in the box are the directions or warning of how to return. This is the most important piece of paper in this box that you must read before removing the tags from your jewelry. It's to ensure the correct sizing. It is extremely important because if you didn't read this and you took the tags off the jewelry, you will not be able to return it. So I encourage stop. And that's the reason why they have the really nice stop sign on the front. So read this, please. This next item is your Jeulia Jewelry catalog filled with all their latest pieces and jewelry collections. The next items that are included in the box are a gift bag, and inside the gift bag you will find a little note card. So if you're going to gift this piece of jewelry to someone, you can write a little note, and that's a really nice added touch. Plus, you will also find a cleaning cloth that will be used to keep your pieces from tarnishing. I don't think that they will, but this is my first piece of jewelry that I have received from them. But I do want to add that they pride themselves on high quality and their craftsmanship. All their jewelry is sterling silver 925. And I chose my rings today. I chose a Jeulia stone, but they also still make moissanite, and their stones are lab made. Instead of being an earth mined stone, this is just as nice. You really can't tell the difference, but you'll see when I show you my piece. What makes Jeulia Jewelry so special? Let's talk about the variety. From intricate nature-inspired designs to bold contemporary styles, there's something for everyone. The materials are of the highest quality, ensuring that your jewelry not only looks great but lasts. And the best part? These pieces pair effortlessly with any nail art design, from the simplest to the most elaborate. Just imagine the shimmer of a Jeulia ring next to a set of perfectly polished nails. It's a match made in heaven. Now let me tell you a little bit about Jeulia, a brand synonymous with exquisite craftsmanship and timeless beauty. Jeulia is not just another jewelry brand, it's a movement. With a strong commitment to quality and design, Jeulia has been creating stunning pieces that are not only beautiful, but also tell a story. Whether it's their iconic rings, bracelets, or necklaces, each piece is a work of art, meticulously crafted to perfection. To wrap it up, the Apres Light and Shadow collection, combined with Jeulia Jewelry, creates a perfect harmony of style and creativity. Your nails can truly reflect your personality. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other nail art videos for more inspiration. See you next time.